Hey everyone, so how to install ToonMe app on iOS. So here is the app ToonMe Tab Cat, and this is the app where you can generate cartoons or caricature from your selfie or some uploaded photo. There is another app in this category which is blowing up right now, which is called Voila app, and yeah, but this is an alternative which you can try out. It's 115 megabytes, and yeah, then you can just upload photos and it will automatically generate some cool animations, cool cartoons using AI technology. um, there are TuneMe Pro subscription options, either $4.99 per month or $24.99 per year. So there you have it. So yeah, then when you just open the app, let's try to open it up. Okay, cartoon, I don't remember actually. And there you have it. Then you have your app installed, and then you can just try to use like tune effects, and then you can just upload or just use the labs. And then, like for example, if you use the photo, you can just start generating and creating a cartoon. So either you upload your photo, so you can use some celebrities, some people just search for them on the web. So that's that, of course. And then that's how it looks like.
Ja, voor die.
Of course, if you want to avoid ads, you need to upgrade. But yeah, so anyways, that's the idea. So something like that. Hope it was helpful. Just a quick overview.